Hi guys, in this tutorial we will see how can we make a border rounded from corners. Okay, so let's see how can we do it. This is basically part of CSS 3. New property comes in CSS 3 which is border radius. Okay, so let's see how can we do this. So first of all, let's see this blocks is box wrapper, so we will apply border radius on this box wrapper. Okay, so that the corners of the border can be rounded. So this, you can see, this border property is added to this class box wrapper. Okay, here we will add border radius. Okay, so let's add border radius. I'm adding it 5 pixel for now. Same, reload. Here you can see border is rounded from all corners is 5 pixels. Okay, so let's say if you want to make a border rounded from top left corner only, and all the rest of the corners would be should be as default. So what you can do is you can add property border top left radius. Save, reload. Here you can see all the uh, corners are normal as default. You can see the edges, and here you can see this is rounded as 5 pixel. To see it more clearer, you can increase it to 10 pixel. Save. Yeah, here you can see this is 10 pixel rounded. So in the same way, if you want right, bottom or left, bottom left, so I'll add the properties border top right radius 10 pixel, border bottom right radius 10 pixel, border bottom left radius 10 pixel. So here you can see all are 10 pixel, or you can use shorthand property, normally border radius, where you can apply 10 pixel which will do from all corners. Okay, and if you want it from two sides, suppose bottom two, so you can add these two property, or individually whatever you want to do. If any specific side, so you can use anyone or few properties from these four. Okay, so instead of this you can use no, direct border radius 10 pixel. Okay, so if you want 10 pixel 20 pixel, same, reload. Here you can see uh, this one is 10 pixel, this is 20, this is 10, and this is again 20. So you can see, so as I told you before as well, for shorthand property 20 pixel. In margin and padding, I have already explained that third and fourth are depend on first and second. So third is depend on first, and fourth is same as second. Okay, so if you do not apply it 1020, so it will default take 1020. Okay, yeah. So first one is your top left, second is your top right, third one is your bottom right, and fourth one is your bottom left. Okay, let's start in clockwise direction: first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, yeah, fine. So, and one more thing is, as this is CSS 3 properties, so mostly all of the browsers are not support border radius. Some earlier versions cannot support. So what you can do in that case, you can add a prefix here. So for Mozilla you can add hyphen moz, then hyphen border radius. Okay, 10 pixel, let's suppose. And for Safari you can add webkit hyphen border radius 10 pixel. Okay, you can add O for Opera, MS for Internet Explorer. So this way, this will support to all earlier version of the browsers. Okay, so hope you understand. So let's continue in next video. This is the end of this video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.